Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Bluetooth device with Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and how to use Bluetooth. First you need to open this panel in the top and find the Bluetooth option. You can find it option on this page. I have it only first page, but you can find this in other page. Click on it and Bluetooth is enabled, but you can hold it, and then if you want change device name for other people and click on the check mark, or you can connect to some device. Click on it and click on the pair, or you can go to the additional setting and turn on this option here and then click back arrow and connect to some device. And that's all for today. Goodbye.